Here we are in Photoshop, so let's make the changes. On that surface, we will make a layer design. Into that, create a new layer, then change the structure of that newly created layer. So let's change the design of zero layer as well. So for that purpose, we will go into that and convert it into the 3D. In 3D, we have the different options. Here we have the option of cone. We will design a cone layer. So let's wait for it and create a cone design. So there is a cone design, as you can look up it.